back to the Dram Diaries. So, Peter and Chanel, 2 whiskeys. We don't know what they are, but what are we going to do?
We're going to sip them.
Okay, thank you.
We're going to tell you
we sip whiskey.
What we think, and we're going to tell you what we would pay for them, or if we would pay for them.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Let's do it.
All right.
Start with A.
Yeah.
Ooh.
That is delightful.
Man.
Yum.
Man,
that
that
is
one
so sweet.
Takes me places. Whoa.
Okay.
Rich, spicy, caramel. I like almost like a toasted marshmallow.
I was thinking marshmallow.
Were you really?
Yeah,
isn't it? That
it is.
Goodness.
Okay.
It smells pillowy soft like a marshmallow. Okay, B. That smells pretty good.
That's pretty good too.
That's actually
it's like, it's
like
got its own kind of marshmallow scent to it.
Cotton candy, I feel like, is what I'm getting. Like a fruity cotton candy.
We have like 2 delicious ones over here.
Oh man, this is tough.
That is tough.
I think it'd be a mood pour. Like what am I in the mood for? I don't know, so I'm gonna defer to you.
Ooh, okay, I'm going to sip B first.
Okay, let's do it.
Yeah.
Gosh, that smells so good. What is that?
Hello. That's so yummy. That's like a sour watermelon candy. It's so good. It's so good.
But like,
oh my gosh.
Man, the oak. It's so, I don't know. Some bourbons, the oak like spice hits you and it's like getting your tongue stabbed with oak spice like a pitchfork, which sounds horrible, but it's good. This is just like loads of little needles, like the complexity. There's so much happening on my tongue right now.
Yeah.
So man, almost,
yeah,
like a cherry cotton candy. Man, that's good. Okay, let's go for A. Man, that smells rich. Like,
ooh.
The finish on this has tons of barrel char. To me,
it does.
Like heavy barrel char.
That initial sip tasted like strawberry syrup to me.
Yeah, right?
It did.
It's like a roller coaster.
It is.
It like hits you super sweet and viscous, and then it goes and it goes to like just, I don't know, like charred marshmallow, I guess. That
it's pretty good.
Like if you're roasting a marshmallow and it kind of starts burning and you put it out and you just eat that like crust off of it. Yeah. It's just tasty. This is tough.
I think so. I'm gonna go back and forth one more time.
Okay.
I think my answer is A, but I am gonna go back and forth. That's pretty yummy. I like that it's not as heavy hitting as A, but
it has loads of flavor though. Like
it does.
I don't know why. Like it's like it feels pillowy on my tongue.
Mm-hmm.
Like the experience feels like this soft, sweet, dark, luscious.
A is definitely heavier.
Oh yeah.
But in a great way. I don't know.
Yeah.
This might be a mood pour for me because
they're both good.
They're both really good.
What I'm feeling like right now, I tend to like darker bourbons. That's just my...
So you're pulling towards A?
I'm pulling towards A for me. How about you?
I was pulling towards A as well.
Yeah. They're both good, man.
They're both really good.
I dig both of them.
All right.
Okay, well, what would you want to pay for B?
I really like B. I would pay $55 for B.
Easily.
Yeah.
Yeah, I wouldn't bat an eye at that price.
No, that's really good.
I could see it costing, $65 maybe.
Okay.
Okay, what about A?
Love A too.
Yeah.
Probably same thing. I could pay $60.
Yeah, I could see this one. I don't know. I just because the darkness and the depth and the viscosity, I could see it being maybe a $70 bottle.
Okay. Yeah.
I don't know. Like, I wouldn't feel bad paying $70 for that one.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So B, I have B here.
Okay.
What is this? Whoa! Are you kidding me?
What is it?
Cooper's Craft 100 proof, $35. Okay. I'm telling you, Cooper's Craft, for the money, I feel like is one of the most like overlooked bourbons. If you like you think Brown Forman, Old Forester, like it's good, man. Get yourself a bottle of it. It's not necessarily double oak, but they chisel like rings into it.
Oh, that's right.
And they leave those shavings in the barrel when it ages. Man, that's good. Okay, what is A?
A is
No.
Early Times Bottle and Bond. What is that?
It went up
103 proof?
Only 103. Oh, that was one at 400 degrees for 9 weeks.
Oh,
man.
This is one of our.
Yeah, man. This has
this
been
was
sitting
a
in our pool.
$32 bottle. That's it.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
This was like that was from my first experiment with a full size mini barrel. So this sample has been in our pool for a while. Oh man. Well, anyways, I have an unopened bottle of Cooper's Craft I've been saving.
Yeah.
To find out like what my favorite way of doing the full size mini barrel is.
Mm-hmm.
And I'm gonna put it, Woodford Reserve Double Oak, and Old Forester 1910 in at the same time. Once I figure out like the best way.
My goodness.
They're gonna. Oh my gosh. Okay, well, there you go. My goodness, that's crazy. Both of these, killer for the money. Yeah. Okay. Till next time.
Should I change my hair at all?
No.
I don't think I can do anything about this right now.
Good. I'm glad because your hair is awesome.
Thank you.
You have such beautiful, like thick, luscious hair.
Thank you.
You do.
Thanks.
And you have like these natural highlights. It's really crazy.
Thanks, Mom.
Okay.
Okay.
Who's gonna start it? You?
It's your turn.
Okay. Here we go.
Okay.